Imagine you are a developer building apps that need to securely talk to Azure services like storage accounts or databases. Usually, you would need to manage credentials, store them in a secure vaults, rotate them, and guard them like the crown jewels. Isn't that exhausting? That's where managed identities come in to save the day. With managed identities, you get a built-in identity for your app, provided and managed by Azure itself. This identity allows your app to securely access Azure resources without you ever touching a password or key. Let's dive into managed identities in Azure, which is a game changer for anyone juggling secrets, keys, or credentials between applications and services. Why should you care? Using managed identities, no more secret juggling. Azure handles all the credentials for you. No password to lose or rotate. Managed identities work with any resource that supports Microsoft Entra authentication. Think Azure Key Vault, SQL, or many more services like this. And managed identities are free of charge. Yep, you read that right. No extra cost to use this feature. There are two types of managed identities, such as system assigned managed identities and user assigned managed identities. System assigned managed identities, think of these as identities tied to the resource itself, like a virtual machine or an Azure app. These identities live and die with the resource. If you delete the VM, the identity disappears too. Only the resource it's attached to can use it. It is perfect for scenarios where one resource needs access to a target service. User assigned managed identities are standalone identities that can hop between resources like a free spirit. You manage them separately so they don't disappear unless you explicitly delete them. One identity can be assigned to multiple resources, and it is ideal for apps or services that share a single identity across multiple resources. How do you use managed identities? It's just easy as 1, 2, 3. You create the identity. For creating, you choose between system assign or user assign based on your needs. You then link the identity to your source resource, such as VM or app, and you then use Azure RBAC to grant the identity access to the target resource. When your app needs access, it simply uses the managed identity to get an authentication token. No credential required. As mentioned, managed identities work with any service that supports Microsoft Entra authentication. So whether you are dealing with storage account, databases, or even your own custom applications, you are covered. In conclusion, managed identities are like having a personal assistant for your app, handling credentials, keeping them secure, and ensuring your app runs smoothly without the drama.